Transformer stage in data stage. So this is one of the key processing stage. We can use it in all the parallel jobs. There are various components available in a transformer stage. All those components includes like stage variables, loop variables, column derivations, constraints, and functions, along with the subroutines, etc. Also we can add the system variables as well. So what are these components? Stage variables generally we use to define any intermediate derivation with the help of available functions in the string functions, or there are type conversions, there are conversions. I mean, we can convert data types, we can apply the calculations, mathematical functions can be added. So all these kind of things can be applied on the incoming data as an intermediate result, which can be defined through stage variables. And loop variables, say suppose we would like to imply some operation on incoming data in a loop, then we go for loop variables. Constraints are nothing but the conditions. Say suppose we would like to apply certain condition on the outgoing link, so it accepts a single input and multi output links. So in my first output link, for example, I would like to send only the data which is less than or equal to a certain date. Only before that date, the data which is having the date column before certain date, then we can add such kind of conditions on constraints on the output links. And column derivations, so column derivations are one of the greatest advantage of this transformer, where we can apply null handling functions, we can validate the data, we can clean up the data, we can apply the string functions like getting left of something or getting right of something, getting substring, or changing the case of our string, or concatenating any kind of string operations. Not only string functions, we can also apply type conversions. Say suppose my incoming column is coming in float, but I would like to change it to decimal, or incoming data is coming as a string, but I would like to change to date. Likewise, we can also do the type conversions, and then we can apply mathematical functions as well. All kind of mathematical functions can be applied. And there are a couple other advantages like adding system variables. So there are these system variables like partition number, row number. Likewise, to generate a unique kind of number on the output data, we can default the values by giving explicit value on the column derivation. So all those kind of things, even we can define the, I mean, we can take advantage of calling the subroutines over here. We can do the cleaning activities by with the help of trim, leading, trailing function. So all those things can be applied in the column derivations. So this is the main advantage of a transformer. As and there is this order of execution. So on the back end, transformer first executes stage variables. Even while executing the stage variables, it follows top to bottom order. Then it goes for loop variables, and then it goes for constraints, and finally column derivations will be executed. Thank you.